Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and very easy pattern. This pattern can be used in your both gents and ladies sweater, baby sweater. This is the way it looks like. I have done with this border and I have done 3 repeats here. This is 1 repeat, 2 repeats and 3 repeats, and here I have done 2 rows. After 3 repeats I have done 2 rows here. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is only 12 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch. We don't have we don't have separate edge stitch for this pattern, so you will need to cast multiples of 4 plus 1 extra stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 13 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 times 4, sorry 3 times 4, 12, and 1 extra stitch 13. So row 1 right side, knit all stitches, row 2 wrong side, knit all stitches, your edge stitch, sorry your first stitch, slip, this is the 1 extra stitch, and then knit all stitches. And last stitch, purl on the wrong side. Row 3, your first stitch, slip on the right side, and then knit all stitches. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. So row 5, for row 5 your first stitch, 1 extra stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, bring the yarn in front and slip 3, 1, 2, 3, and then knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Slip 3 with the yarn in front and knit 1. Repeat that again. Bring the yarn in front, slip 3, 1, 2, 3, and knit 1. One more repeat, yarn in front, slip 3, 1, 2, 3, and knit 1. Row 6, for row 6 purl all stitches. Sorry. Row 7, knit edge row 5, your extra stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Slip 3 with the yarn in front, 1 2 3, and then knit 1. That's the repeat. Slip 3 with the yarn in front and knit 1. Again, bring the yarn in front, slip 3, 1 2 3, and knit 1. Bring the yarn in front, slip 3, 1 2 3, and knit 1. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9, knit edge row 5, slip your first stitch and then start the repeat. Slip 3 with yarn in front, 1 2 3, and knit 1. Yarn in front, slip 3, 1 2 3, and then knit 1. Yarn in front, slip 3, 1 2 3, and knit 1. Row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11, your first stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1 from this stitch. You're going to knit this stitch, and this one, middle one, you're going to knit with these 3 loops. So go underneath these 3 loops and then knit this stitch like so, and then pass over these loops and knit 2, 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, knit this stitch with these 3 loops, and then knit 2. Again, knit 1, knit this stitch with these 3 loops, like so, and then knit 2. One more repeat. Knit 1 sorry, knit this stitch with these 3 loops, and knit 2. Last row, row 12, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 12 rows, row 1 to row 12, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.